Hello my friends, today I have a new announcement. I'm opening the package or needle fading needles and some hand dryers. I ordered these from online Shein. So I hope you stick around and watch until the end. So let's get started. So this hand dryer set includes different types of dry bit and its own compact body. That's why this is very convenient for use different projects like polymer clay and wooden base, etc. I love this. Now I'm gonna open the package and take out the compact body. The color is black or is smooth body. So now let me show you how to assemble this dryer set. First, I take out the body. Now I left some things. I'm gonna cut the package or drill bit, and I take out different drill bits. These are different size. I'm gonna twist all the compact body to set the drill bits to connect the body or drill. After that, to tie twist inside the hook. Okay, now to tie the drill bit is ready to use, and press the wooden base or polymer clay. You can use any project. This is a big size. Test the other size. These are different size and you can use on any project. I think this is very useful for me, especially to make clay earring, because the place I live isn't available electricity, so that's why I ordered this dryer set from online. I think this is very useful for me to make project like polymer clay earring and sand wooden base. I think, and it is also to reset and fix, and it is also to use, easy to store together with the compact bodies and drill bits together in a paper bags. Okay guys, I no longer show you how to use this drill set because you have already know how to use. This is very convenient and to use easy, because it is easy to use and to make project. Now I'm gonna put the compact bit, compact body and different drill bits together in a paper bag. Now I'm gonna open the needle fading needle set. I'm so excited to open because this is I wait for this package for 2 months long, so I'm so excited to open. Now I'm gonna cut the paper parcel. This is well made and looks exactly like the picture shown online. Now I'm gonna open the box. It's text. Wow, this set is quite complete. It includes many needle fading needle, a finger guide to prevent poking your hand, and a wooden handles. And a wooden handle for each needle and one needle, etc. This has helped prevent to poking your hands. These are needle fading needle. For example, needle frontiers needle are used to scale woodcut, especially make past portrait. Okay, now let's check out all the material from the box. Firstly, I'm gonna check the wooden handle and 8 needle fittings package. Oh, this wooden base is smooth and easy to handle. And how I don't know how to use this. Okay, let's check out. Oh, these are needles. I'm gonna put this hole. I put one needle for each hole. Oh, this a little stuff, I think. Okay, now put the needles forward and after that, and twist and to tie the wooden handle. Wow, I got it. I finally got it. This is convenient to use the wood skeletons. Now I'm gonna check with my pet portrait. I think these 8 needle 13 needles used for a big project. These are very sharpened and it can danger for your hands, so be careful. Among the handmade media, I love needle fittings most because it can sculpture pet portraits from wool. This is so exciting and creative themes, I think. Because last year my pet passed away and I I was very I was very sad and cried a lot, and I have no idea about it. I want her back, so I got an idea to start with my small business. This is my pet portrait. Her name is Boo Boo. When she passed away, I decided to learn needle fittings from YouTube and explore these media by needle fittings and other needle fitting supplies like wool base and other cat eyes or dog's eye. Or for some project, I also made with polymer clay with freehand, especially dog nose and dog paw and cat paw, etc. Now I'm gonna report the materials. I love this box. I think this is very convenient to use for me. Now I will show you how to start needle felting. To start needle felting, you will need a needle felting pad, because if you don't have a pad, you won't succeed to scalp the wood scalp because it can available or succeed without the pad. And another important thing is wool. I use 10 gram. I usually order from online. This is a little bit expensive from my country. You need pad or base and wool and needle. Needle cans and two size. That's easy to remember. Let's memorize the big one and the small one. Now I will check the how to scalp wool needle. Put a little piece of wool and put on the pad. After that, you penetrate with this needle and